Now before starting the class, I will check voice is okay or not. I will check voice. Now today I will focus on integration by parts based problems. Okay. Now yesterday class I have already discussed how can apply integration by parts for complex integration. Okay. So I will take some problem on the basis of integration by parts. So first of all, right now once again formula. Okay. Here ux u of x into v of x dx. This is first function and that one second function. So formula is how much? First function into integration of second minus differentiation of first function with respect to x into integration of second function to whole integration. After that written C. I will take some problem. Problem number 1, x square into e to power minus x dx. How can we integrate? Okay, so first of all look here very carefully. Here x square into e to power minus x dx. How can solve this type of problem? Look here, if you consider this one is the first function, I have already say if x square polynomial function is available, then polynomial function always take x square. Okay. And also depend upon second function e to power x, integration of e to power minus x. I know that, so it's a best method to this one is taken first and this one taken second. Otherwise, if suppose that this one is a part, this part is very you cannot integrate easily, then you can take this one, take first function. Okay, so if you apply here formula, simply written x square into integration of e to power minus x dx minus differentiation of x square with respect to x into integration of minus x dx. After that whole integration. Clear? I know that integration of e to power minus x dx is how much? E to power minus x divided by minus, so basically minus e to power x minus e to power minus x. So this one written simply, look here very carefully, minus x square into e to power minus x. Now what about differentiation of x square? Simply 2x, so written minus 2x into integration of e to power minus x is how much? Minus e to power minus x. So minus plus into. Clear? Now once again apply. This one is first function, this one is second function. So written here minus x square into e to power minus x plus 2 first into integration of e to power minus x dx minus integration differentiation of x is how much? Simply dx by dx into integration of e to power minus x dx into whole integration. Okay, now look here x square into e to power minus x plus what about that value? Integration of e to power minus x, simply minus e to power x. So you can write now here minus x into e to power minus x, also multiply by 2, and if 2 multiply here, so minus 2 into integration of e to power minus x is how much? Minus, so minus plus e to power minus x dx. Now next target is this one written x is minus x square into e to power minus x minus 2x into e to power minus x plus integration of e to power minus x, simply minus e to power minus x. So 2 into e to power minus x plus c is the right answer. Otherwise you can also minus common, minus e to power minus x is common, so x square plus 2x plus 2 plus c is the right answer. I hope so clear. Okay, you can do this question another method also. So first of all, right now another method means I have already discussed, if two function available u and v dx, so written u into v1 means first integration of v1, after that differentiation of u into v2 plus u double prime v3, after that v triple prime v4, as so on. Okay, plus minus if after that we clear. U means u prime means differentiation of u, double prime means double derivative of u, v1 means integration of v, v2 means integration of v1. Okay, so look here, x square into e to power minus x, this one is u and this one is v. So what about v1? Integration of e to power minus x dx is how much? Minus e to power minus x. What about v2? v2 means integration of v1. So v1 is how much? Minus e to power minus x dx. So what about that value? E to power minus x, e to power plus x, sorry, plus e to power minus x. Okay, now if need v3, then v3 is how much? Integration of v2 dx. v2 means e to power minus x dx, so that one written minus e to power minus x. Clear? After that, what about u prime? U prime means differentiation of u, means x squared differentiation 2x. U double prime means simply 2, differentiation of 2x is simply 2, and u triple prime means that is 0. Okay, so now that value put here, so simply you can say the u means x square, okay, and v1 means e to power minus x, u prime means 2x, v2 means double integration of v, that is how much? E to power minus x. Clear? Simply that value put here, v2 is e to power minus x plus u double prime means 2 and v3 means how much? E to power minus x, so written minus e to power minus x, and after that c. Okay, look here, so final answer is how much? E to power minus x is common, so simply wait minus, okay, so x square plus 2x plus 2 and plus c. Now if you follow this method, then we got how much answer? Like that one. If you follow this method, then we got how much answer? Like that one. If you follow fundamental method, then you got answer this one. So both answer are correct. So which one method is more suitable? Definitely second method. If polynomial function are available, basically x square, x cube, x to power 4 type function available, then follow which method? This method. Okay, you can, if you follow this method, you can less time required and not more. This one is more complicated because of plus minus multiplication, that's why. So if you follow this method, then your answer is most of the time going to wrong. Okay, because mistakes are corresponding to plus minus or multiplication. But if you follow this direct method, then simply differentiate, integrate individually, and after that put here and find the answer. Less time required and you can more accurate answer. Okay, because less calculation, that's why. I hope so clear. So first of all, right now, after that I will focus on next problem. Now I am focused on next problem. X cube into e to power 2x dx. How can solve this type of problem? X cube into e to power 2x. If you follow this method, you're going into long direction. Why? Because here x cube. Okay. So better to, if you follow which method, u and v dx. Which one? U v1 minus how much? U prime v2 plus u double prime v3, u triple prime v4, v5 and so on. Clear? I hope so clear. Now if you follow this method, now what about u? Look here x cube into e to power 2x dx. So which one take u? This one take u and this one take v. Otherwise, clear? So which method is more stable? This one or this one? This one. Why? Because x cube available. Otherwise you can apply this, you can solve this question with the help of this method also, but take more time. If you follow this method, then you can require less time and more accurate answer. So u is how much? X cube, and v is how much? E to power 2x. So u prime means 3x square, u double prime means 6x, u triple prime means how much? 6. Okay, clear or not? After that we have focus on v1 means integration of e to power 2x. Integration of e to power 2x dx is how much? Simply e to power 2x divided by 2. So, v2 means double integration of e to power v. Basically integration of v2 means double integration of v, or you can say that integration of v1. Now this one integrate, then we got how much? E to power 2x divided by 4. And what about v3? v3 means e to power 2x divided by how much? 8. And what about v4? v4 is e to power 2x divided by how much? 16. I hope so clear? Clear or not? So that value put here. First u means how much? X cube. After that v1 means how much? E to power 2x upon 2. Okay, so e to power 2x divided by 2 minus u prime means 3x square into v2 means e to power 2x divided by how much? 4. Okay, now u double prime means 6x, and v3 means e to power 2x divided by 8 minus triple prime means 6 into 4 times means e to power 2x divided by 16, and after that written c here. Clear or not? So e to power 2x divided by 2 is common. So written here x cube minus 3x square divided by 2 plus how much? That is 6x, or you can say 3x. Basically 3 2 ja 2 3 ja, and here 4. So 3 by 2. Okay, x and this one is how much? Minus 3 divided by 4. Okay, plus C is the right answer. Make it. Okay, so first of all, everyone can make it. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Sir, I face the doubt corresponding to that step. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Okay. Now I will take another problem also. Now, next problem. Integration of x cube plus 6x into sin x dx. How can solve this type of problem? Okay. So first of all, everyone can try, then after that I will do. Okay, first of all, everyone can try, then after that I will do. Simply apply that formula. Okay, which one take u and which one take v? Simply this one take u and this one take v. U is how much? X cube plus 6x, and v is how much? Sin x. Okay, u prime is how much? 3x square plus 6. U double prime is how much? 6x, and u triple prime is how much? 6. Very simple. Clear or not? After that, what about v? v1. v1 means integration of sin x. Integration of sin x is how much? Simply minus cos x. So simply minus cos x. v2 means integration of v1 means how much? Integration of minus cos x is how much? Simply integration of cos is sine, so simply minus sin x. After that v3 integration of this one, integration of minus sin x is simply minus minus plus cos x. And what about v4? v4 is how much? Minus sin x. Integration of cos is how much? Sin x. Clear? Integration of sin is minus cos. Integration of minus cos is minus sin. Integration of minus sin is how much? Plus cos x, because of minus minus plus. After that, integration of cos is how much? Sin x plus sin x. Now that value put here. Okay, so look here. Right now, u means how much? What about u? X cube plus 6x. Very simple. Into v1. v1 means minus cos x. u prime means 3x square plus 6 into v2 means minus sin x, so minus minus plus sin x. Okay, u double prime, that is 6x, into V3 is how much? Cos x minus triple in differentiation, that is 6, and 4 times integration, that is sin x, and plus finally our final answer, and also adding c. Clear? So make it I hope so clear. Now I will take another problem. How can utilize this formula for complex question? Okay, look here. Integration of under root a square minus x square dx. Simply this function is given like that one. F of x is how much? Under root a square minus x square. Integration of under root a square minus x square dx. How can solve this type of problem? Simply look here very carefully. Which one take first function and which one take second function? First of all, what is the integration of under root a square minus x square? I don't know. Okay, very clear. I don't know. So if you say what is the formula of this one, I don't know, but I will develop here. How can develop? With the help of this formula. Simply this one is a complicated function, so but you can differentiate this one. Under root a square minus x square, you can differentiate, but you cannot integrate easily because I don't know. But I know that differentiation of this one, I know. So this one written under root a square minus x square into 1 dx. This one take first function and this one takes second function. Clear? So you can write now here, and that one's written I. So I this equal to how much? First function means under root a square minus x square into simply dx, 1 into dx, minus differentiation of a square minus x square to whole power 1 by 2 into dx into whole integration. Clear? I know that differentiation of a square minus x square to whole power 1 by 2 with respect to x is how much? Simply this one is treated as t to power half. So you can say that half into t to power means a square minus x square to whole power 1 by 2 minus 1. So you can say that minus half into differentiation of that one. A square differentiation is 0, minus 2x minus x square differentiation minus 2x. So minus 2x. So 2 cancel. So written here x upon minus x upon under root a square minus x square basically. So differentiation of that one written here. Okay. So right now here, what about integration of dx? Simply x. So you can say that x into under root a square minus x square minus, what about that value here? X square by 2. What about that value? This one is x square by, simply x, and differentiation of this one like that one. So after putting, we got minus x square here, minus x square divided by under root a square minus x square dx. Why minus x square? Simply integration of this one x. So x into and differentiation of this one is how much, like that one. So if multiply here x also, then we got how much, minus x square upon under root this one. Clear? Now how can solve this type of problem? Simply if a square adding and a square subtracting. So if a square adding and a square subtracting here, then we got how much, this one written x into minus x square, here minus, what about that value, under root a square minus x square dx, and here minus minus plus a square upon under root a square minus x square dx. Clear? Now this one is I, this one is also I. Okay, so if this one is going on left hand side, so I plus I, that is how much, 2i. So 2i, this will equal to x under root a square minus x square, and what about that value here, a square, integration of this one is how much, sine inverse x by a, and after that written c. Clear? So you can say that I is how much, 1 by 2 x under root a square minus x square plus simply c1, this one written c1, and a square into sine inverse x upon a, c1 by 2 is written replaced to c. I also clear? So final answer like that one. Clear? So first of all, everyone can write now. After that I will discuss again. If any query is related to any topic, if you not understand at any topic or any step, okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Sir, I face the doubt corresponding that step, I will discuss again. Okay. Now I will take another problem. So basically this is the derivative, this one is the formula of that one. Okay, so simply you can say that this one written 1 by 2 x under root a square minus x square plus a square into sine inverse x upon a plus c. Now how can you utilize this formula? Simply given here 4 minus x square dx. How can integrate this type of problem? Simply, if this formula is memorized, integration of under root a square minus x square is written is how much, 1 by 2 into in bracket x under root x square a square minus x square plus a square into sine inverse x upon a plus c. Clear? Very clear. So you can compare this question to this one, this formula. Okay, how can compare? Simply this one is 2 square minus x square, sorry, integration of, so a is basically 2 and x replaced to x. So how can I apply? X under root 4 minus x square plus a square means 2 square means 4 into sine inverse x by 2 plus c is the right answer. Make it. Okay. If anyone faces any doubt at any step, then comment it. So I face the doubt corresponding that step. Okay. Now I will take another problem, or you can say that another proof. Okay. Now integration of a square minus x square minus a square, how can do? Simply this one written I, so and that one written under root x square minus a square into 1 into dx. This one is the first function and this one is taken second function. So first into second. So simply right now here, which one take first? Under root x square minus a square take first function. Why? Because integration of under root x square minus a square I don't know. So that's why we have taken under root x square minus a square is first function, because you can differentiate but you cannot integrate. Okay, clear or not? Why under root x square minus a square is taken first function. After that apply that formula here. Okay, so simply right now under root x square minus a square into integration of dx minus differentiation of clear. Now look here, integration of x is how much? Integration of dx simply x, so x into under root x square minus a square minus, what about differentiation of this one? Differentiation of x square minus a square to whole power 1 by 2 dx is how much? Simply written here, this one is assume t to power half. So you can say that half into x square minus a square to whole power 1 by 2 minus 1. So simply minus 1 by 2. Into differentiation of this one, simply 2x. So you can say that x upon under root x square minus a square. So basically differentiation of this one written here, and integration of dx simply x. So x into that one, so x square. So x square upon under root x square minus a square, and also a square adding and a square subtracting. So this one written x into x square minus a square minus, if this one minus a square dx divided by how much? Under root x square minus a square. Clear? Clear or not? Look here very carefully. If anyone faces any doubt at any step, then comment it. Okay. What about that value? Simply I, because here I. So I plus I, that is 2i. 2i is written as x under root x square minus a square And what about that value here? A square into log of x plus under root x square minus a square plus c. So finally I is how much? 1 by 2 x under root x square minus a square into log of x plus under root x square minus a square plus c is the final answer. Make it. Okay. So first of all, anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, sir, I face the doubt corresponding to that step. I will discuss again. Okay. Any queries related to that topic, then also comment. So finally, you can say that this one is how much? 1 by 2 in bracket x under root x square minus a square into log of modulus of under root x square minus a square plus c. This is the formula basically, and this is mod value basically. Okay. So how can apply? Look here. Question is given x square minus 9 into dx. How can you integrate this type of problem? Simply, first of all, memorize this formula. Integration of under root x square minus a square is written as how much? 1 by 2 in bracket x into under root x square minus a square minus a square into log of x plus under root x square minus a square, and after that written c. Clear? So now compare. What about a? A is how much? 3. So you can write now here, first of all, x square minus 3 square into dx. Now apply that formula. So 1 by 2 in bracket how much? X under root x square minus 3 square is how much? 9 minus a square is how much? 9 into log of x plus under root x square minus 9 plus c is the final answer. Make it. Okay. I hope so clear. Make it.